Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. Go for the settings, right now click on the home screen and the lock screen, and tap on the wallpapers. When you are here, we can choose static wallpapers, live wallpapers, and also pick pictures from our photos. I'm going for live wallpaper, and I'm going to pick, for example, this one. Right now we can tap to apply. As you can see, our home screen wallpaper has changed, and also the lock screen wallpaper has changed. But if you want to keep your normal wallpaper on the home screen, you have to go here. Next you have to go for the wallpapers again, and when you are here on the live wallpapers, you have to simply wait a minute, it's not working, so let me just, for example, pick this one. Okay, as you can see, unfortunately the live wallpapers apply on the both screens. So if you want to change only your lock screen wallpaper, you have to choose the normal wallpaper, static, and after that when you tap once you can move to the home screen on the lock screen. And if you want to change only the lock screen, just pick here, get the set to the lock screen, tap on the done. And as you can see right now, our wallpaper will be changed. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.